Hi, my name is Nicholas and I'm the product owner of Camcalib.io. With the Camcalib software, you can calibrate multiple cameras, lidars and inertial measurement units extrinsically and intrinsically. On top, we perform temporal calibration of your data for best synchronization. But let me give you the motivation that led us to the development of this tool. Over the last years, we have implemented and deployed various camera applications to the market. Each and every single project starts with the camera calibration as a critical component. What we have seen on the market is that most companies rely on open source tools like OpenCV, which might give you the required accuracy, but provide no long-term support or certifications. On top, you might need to invest multiple weeks of development in order to achieve the calibration. This is why we decided to bundle multiple years of high-precision camera calibration expertise into one single product, which should enable the industry for faster application deployment with the best possible accuracy. Stop wasting your time and download Camcalib. And subscribe to our newsletter to stay up to date on the latest developments.